How to redeem Marvel Snap Nitro. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to redeem Marvel Snap Nitro. So let's get started. First of all, you'll need to open any of the web browser on your PC. I have Chrome, so I've opened it. Go to the search bar and search for redeem Marvel Snap Nitro and then press enter. Here you need to find the website that is Marvel Snap. Now here you can see this is Marvel Snap Zone, but it's not Marvel Snap. You have to find marvelsnap.com. Now here this is the website which you need, but if you're not able to find the website over here, no need to worry. Go to search bar and search for marvelsnap.com here and then press enter. After pressing enter, you will be redirected to another interface that will be something like this in front of you. Now this is the legit website of Marvel Snap. Make sure you redirect it to the correct website. And now here at the top left you'll be able to see game, news, redeem code and creators. Now here you have to click on redeem code between news and creators. After clicking on that, you'll be redirected to Marvel Snap Shop. Here you'll be able to see these three options: shop, redeem code and help center. So click on redeem code. After clicking on redeem code, you can sign in with your Apple, or you can sign in with Google, or you can play as a guest, just whichever you want. Here, write down your player ID verification. So you have to write down your player ID and then press confirm to confirm your player ID. Here, type down the redeem code which you wish to redeem and then click on continue. After clicking on continue, now you can see that please double check that the redemption code is correct. It cannot be changed once redeemed, so rewards can be claimed regardless of which language region is selected. So after that, just click on confirm. So yeah, that's basically how you can redeem Marvel Snap Nitro. That's it for today. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.